Shucks, ang mahal. Hindi ako bibili niyan. So, first identify kung anong klaseng chip yellow display yung nabili mo or yung bibilin mo. So, in my case, I got the 2.8 inches and 2 USB. Copy this link and paste it to your browser, or you can find it in my video description and click it. Once sa GitHub page ka na, marami ka makikita ang file. Pwede ka rin mag-upload ng firmware gamit ng ESP Home. You can choose your own version dun sa bin files, or you can also upload yung firmware gamit ng firmware flasher ng mismong creator. So, just click it. Once na nandyan ka na, connect your ESP or yung chip yellow display. I use yung Type-C, but you can also use yung 2.0 na USB. Click connect. After that, choose kung anong COM port yung gamit mo. In my case, I use COM port number 7. So, I click or I pair ng COM port number 7. The latest firmware version na yan ay 1.4.3. You can also change that, pero yung magagamit ka ng ESP Home Web Flasher, and choose kung anong file yung sabihin. Now, choose kung anong klaseng chip yellow display ang gamit mo. In my case, I use 2 USB, so I click 2 USB and 2.8 inches, then click program, then wait. It takes a few minutes. And pag natapos na, restart your chip yellow display ESP32. Pag naging kulay puti yung background, probably nagkamali ka ng select kung anong type ng chip yellow display dun sa web flasher. So, dun double check. If black lang or walang display, probably nagkamali ka ng size ng screen na select. Meron kasing 3.5, 2.8, and 2.4 inches na size. So, yan.